Hi there, it's Sam from POW. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about diversification and why it's important not just to have diversification on your trading profiles, but also where you are trading to. Now, you may remember that I did a video on my RSI Bollinger Band strategy, which was working really well throughout a long period of time. Due to the recent market movements, we have seen that in slightly bigger drawdown. Now, on my Ftmo account, I did actually copy this across to try and build it back up after a couple of red alert losses. However, due to the markets and the drawdown here, I did actually take a couple more losses on that account, which was all managed by the equity protection system, so absolutely fine, no dramas. I just need to build that account back up. But about diversification, this I've left running. It's now, after today, it will actually show 20% up since the start of February. So it is running fairly well. Like I say, the drawdowns due to the recent market movements have just made it a little bit more difficult. However, what I've been able to do with that is actually run it through to a cent account. So the cent account is $1,000, trading is 100,000. It allows me to trade it a bit more freely with no drawdown parameters that I need to stick to like I would with prop firms. And I've copied this across for the last 5 to 6 weeks, and it's made steady profits. So the percentage gain on here is a little bit skewed because I did start with $100,000 balance. I then actually deposited another couple of thousand into the account just when it did reach some drawdowns. Just wanted to protect that. But overall, you'll see profit-wise, it has done 18.5% of my initial balance, so that is $184 up. Now, what this means is I've been able to copy that portfolio across over to this account, so I'm still banking in one way or the other. And that's why it's just important to, like I say, not necessarily just diversify your portfolios, but also diversify where you're copying them to, how you're copying them. I can continue copying that portfolio over to this cent account quite happily. It's got enough in there to stomach the drawdowns if it happens again, but I can then just amend the copier as and when needed and just build this account up slowly. I will then be able to compound this account, so as it gets bigger, the lot sizes will increase, and hopefully I can run that fairly risk-free from here and out. But as you can see, a nice steady graph going through. The Ftmo I will build back up slowly. I think it's important to show you this, but what I will do is build this account up slowly, trying to make sure that I don't lose it. However, I have had my money's worth out of this account. That's also important to remember. The markets will not always play to your strengths. You will have to diversify and build that resilience and take what they give you. But ultimately, I will build this back up slowly and hopefully get back to some withdrawal. But as I mentioned, the account now costs me nothing. I'm just going to take my time, build it back up slowly, and hopefully we'll see a return with this strategy. If not, then we will just re-optimize using the portfolio builder, and we'll just try and build something that is a little bit more robust, taking into those market movements into account, and hopefully we can protect ourselves from that in the future.